thank God for everything in our life, the good and the bad. Some were blessings and some were lessons. Thank you, God, for this good life and forgive us if we do not love it enough. Morning starts with sunshine, and today school has started with our lovely sparkling races. With great zeal and warm heart, school management and staff welcomed senior students after a long break.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome.
बच्चों, आज आपका पहला दिन है। बच्चों, आज आप लोग 6 महीने बाद स्कूल आए हैं। आपकी बोर्ड क्लासेस हैं। आपके टीचर्स ने बहुत मेहनत की, बहुत अच्छा ऑनलाइन पढ़ाया और आज आपका समय है क्लास अटेंड करने का। बच्चों, क्लास अटेंड करने से बहुत ज़्यादा बेहतर एटमॉस्फेयर मिलता है ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से। और आप चूँकि बोर्ड क्लासेस हैं, हम आपको एक चीज़ ये बताना चाहेंगे कि यदि बोर्ड में इस बार कोई बच्चा थोड़ी सी बेहतर मेहनत कर लेगा तो उसकी परसेंटेज बहुत अच्छी आएगी, क्योंकि इस बार बोर्ड भी लीनियंट होगा और आपकी पढ़ाई कम हुई है, इस चीज़ को ध्यान में रखा जाएगा। तो हम उम्मीद करते हैं सारे बच्चे बहुत अच्छी मेहनत करेंगे जिससे कि उनके रिजल्ट्स बेहतर हो सकें। और बच्चों, आप अपने साथियों को कन्विंस कीजिए कि हमारे यहाँ बहुत अच्छा इंतज़ाम है। और आपने देखा, आज आप स्कूल आए हैं, आप देखेंगे कि कितने बेहतर तरीके से टीचर्स आपको स्टडी करा रहा है और क्या हम लोग का सिस्टम है जिससे कि आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बच्चा क्लास में जुड़े, जिससे कि हम बेहतर से बेहतर पढ़ाई हमारा टीचर करा सकें। आज 6 महीने में जो पढ़ाई हमारी टीचर्स ने कराई है उसी का बेहतर परिणाम है कि आज आपका SA1 भी हो गया है और PA1 भी हो गया है। अब आपको PA2 और SA2 की तैयारी करनी है, जिसमें कि आप अपने रिजल्ट्स को और बेहतर कर सकें। हम सारे टीचर समुदाय का भी धन्यवाद करते हैं जिन्होंने इतने अच्छे तरीके से हमारे बच्चों को पढ़ाया और हमको एक बेहतर रिजल्ट दिया। उसी तरह से अब क्लासेस में और पढ़ाई को अच्छा कराया जाएगा, पेन और पेंसिल से एग्ज़ाम लिया जाएगा, जिससे कि आपका सही टेस्ट हो सके, सही मूल्यांकन हो सके। और इसी के साथ हमारी शुभकामनाएं हैं कि भगवान हम सबको कोविड से बचाएगा। हमारे टीचर्स जो आपको पढ़ाएंगे, हमारे बच्चे जो क्लासेस अटेंड करेंगे, सभी के ऊपर भगवान का आशीर्वाद रहेगा, जिससे कि वो बच्चे बेहतर शिक्षा ग्रहण कर सकें। थैंक्स।
श्रीं ह्रीं सरस्वतय नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं सरस्वतय नमः। ॐ
But if any bad thing is there from God's side, then it will be like a lesson for us. So thank you, God, for this good life, and forgive us if we do not love it enough. And the secret of change is to focus on
is given these days that schools are reopened and our students have come back to school. So I'm very happy to see you all students in my school campus at Awadh Collegiate. A warm welcome to you all. So students, I just want to tell you that our school, Awadh Collegiate, is ready for you. It is equipped with all the apparatus, medical apparatuses, and with the safety measurements of COVID-19. Whole campus is totally sanitized for you. Each and every room, classrooms and lobbies, everything is very hygienic for you. And washrooms also, it is very neat. And our housekeeping members as well as our menial staff member is ready to do the things nicely. Everywhere sanitizing bottles are there for you. And whole campus, I told you, it is sprayed also by HIT and by Baygon, so that no mosquito will be there in the classrooms. And as you know, students, that coronavirus is invisible enemy, but our teachers, they are our corona warriors. They are really invincible, they are uncomparable, they are unbeatable. So thank you, teachers, for your cooperation, because without your cooperation, online as well as offline classes are not possible. And all teachers are also ready for classroom teaching. And as you know, students, that worldwide classroom teaching is the best teaching. That's why they have adopted and accepted. Staff, I told you, all housekeeping. And one more thing, it is a special that we have made one emergency, special emergency task team. And in that, our Nayyar sir and Tripti ma'am is there in this team member. And we have arranged for you a medical facility, just like we have allotted 2 rooms, two medical wellness room for you, one for boys and another for girls. So if you are having any problem, by God grace it will be not, but if any problem you are facing, then we are having all facilities over here. We are having herbal and Ayurvedic tablets also for you. And students, your sitting plan is outside the door. On the door it is pasted outside your classroom. You have to sit in a zigzag manner. And the most important thing is the consent letter. Whenever you have to enter in the campus, consent letter should be submitted by you. If it is submitted, then well and good. If it is not, then bring it with you. It is compulsory. And thank you. First of all, I would like to say to the parents also that you have just faith on us. It is the most important thing, having faith on us. And yes, parents, we are here for your children, for the taking care of your children. So don't worry about anything. We are here for the sake of your children. Thank you, parents. Thank you, teachers. And thank you all menial staff and housekeeping.
my loving students, after a long period, we are thankful for your cooperation during online teaching. But offline teaching is better than online. So now you will come to school daily. School management is ready to fight against COVID-19. I want to thank all my teachers for their endless efforts and parents for believing on us. Thank you.
I am very much thankful to our manager sir and directors ma'am for providing very good preventive measures for COVID-19. The parents, they have sent their wards to the school and they are very much positive towards school. My staff is also ready to take care of all the students as their own children. Thank you.
आज अवध कॉलेजिएट मैनेजमेंट और टीचर्स के लिए बहुत खुशी का दिन है कि आज से बच्चों की ऑफलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो रही है। मैं अवध कॉलेजिएट मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से ये इंश्योर करना चाहूँगा कि बच्चों के प्रॉपर सैनिटाइजेशन की व्यवस्था यहाँ पर की जाएगी। जैसे लास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स में की गई है वैसी व्यवस्था रहेगी और सारे बच्चे यहाँ पर सुरक्षित रहेंगे। ऑफलाइन क्लासेस के अंदर बच्चों को हम प्रमोट करना चाहेंगे ज़्यादा ऑनलाइन क्लास के कंपेरिजन में। उसका रीज़न है कि ऑफलाइन क्लासेस में बच्चे टीचर से डायरेक्ट इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, उनकी क्वेरीज, उनके क्वेश्चंस वो ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से वो समझ सकते हैं वहाँ पे। ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के अंदर जो है बच्चे समझते तो है चीज़ों को, लेकिन वो ऑफलाइन क्लास की बात उन ऑनलाइन क्लास में नहीं आ पाती है। इसके अलावा बच्चे जो यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं उनके पेरेंट्स को भी मैं बहुत धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा कि उन्होंने हम टीचर्स पे, कॉलेज मैनेजमेंट पर विश्वास करके उनको यहाँ पर भेजा है।
Good morning, everybody. By the grace of God the Almighty, our school is going to start from today, and we are very thankful to the parents. They have given their consent to the school management, and the school has sanitized each and every nook and corner of the school, and our school is going to provide a medical team. They are going to provide the special task team for all type of requirement of the students. We are taking great care of each and every facility. We are going to provide the online classes as well with the offline classes. We all know that offline classes have its own benefit, have its own advantages, because in offline classes we can interact with the student in the best possible way. The student can put their questions, they can ask their queries more frequently than they could do in online classes. So we are going to encourage all the students to join offline classes, and if we get the consent of their parents. Without getting consent, we cannot force any student to join the offline classes. So I want to encourage all the students of my class to join offline classes. It will be better for their future, because the exam is going to start from the maybe from February or maybe from March. So we are very glad that the students are back today.
I'm really happy today to see all the students back to school. Opening the school was a really good thing happened this month. It has been a very long period of very long duration when we didn't interact with our students face to face, and face to face interaction is very important for the teachers and the students, both of them. There are 2 points which I would like to mention for the students and their guardians as well. See, if you compare the online teaching and the classroom teaching, I would prefer, if you take my opinion, I would prefer the classroom teaching the best option. There are various points in a chapter which have to be explained properly, and this proper explanation can be done only in the classrooms. Making a lot of efforts, still we will not be able to explain all the topics in the most prominent way in online teaching. Also, there one more point that if a student has a query, those queries were not properly resolved during the online sessions. So this classroom teaching is the best option if we talk about the teaching thing. Second most important point which I hear about my school, see, Awadh Collegiate boasts about a clean campus, properly sanitized rooms and seats and everything. Since past few months, I have seen in Awadh Collegiate that all the seats, all the complete atmosphere is being sanitized, all the proper precautions to avoid this COVID are being taken from the school. So there's no reason I can see for the students and the parents to be worried about their child's health. School is taking all the necessary precautions. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.
Good morning everyone, this is Anurag, a student of class 10G. Today I have came to school after a very long time and I am feeling really good of school. After coming back to school, I am feeling really proud of my schools that they have opened school so early and with such nice arrangements. I have been sanitized and the temperature has been checked really well. At the entrance of school, the arrangement was really good. Our principal has also motivated us and guided us and showered us blessings over us. At the class, we also have a classroom teaching which is much better than online classes. And I am really grateful that our principal ma'am has really motivated us and guided us in this long period of COVID-19 pandemic. So all I want to say is thank you principal ma'am and the management of school for guiding us and really opening the school after a long time. Thank you.
It's me, Vanshika Singh. I want to thankful for my respected principal ma'am and my teachers who gave me this opportunity to attend the offline classes. In online classes, I am not able to understand properly due to some network issue. But now I am very happy that I am able to attend the offline classes. Here, all the norms are followed properly and I am also sanitized properly before I enter to the school.
It's time to go home. It's time to go